Hi students, today we are going to study a new chapter, pairs of equations. In this chapter, we shall study the problems which involves the solutions in two letters. Mental math and algebra. Here we solve the practical problems in one equation in one letter or in two equations with two letters. Consider a question. In a rectangle of perimeter 1 meter, one side is 5 centimeters longer than the other. What are the lengths of the sides? Here, in a rectangle of perimeter 1 meter, we know that perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Here, one side is 5 centimeter longer than the other. So, we take, let x be the length of the shortest side. Then, longest side is equal to x plus 5. Now here given that perimeter is 1 meter. Perimeter is 1 meter. But here given that one side is 5 centimeter longer than the other. Here the unit of the side is what? In centimeter. So convert meter into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now the perimeter means perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into L plus B is 100 centimeter. That is 2 into L. L is longest side. That is x plus 5. Breadth is the shortest side. Is equal to 100. That 2 into 2x plus 5 is equal to 100. Let's just solve for x. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 100 by 2 is equal to what? 5. Now 2x is equal to 50 minus 5, that is 45. Now solve x is equal to 45 by 2. That is, we know that 45 by 2 is 22.5. So what is x here? X is the shortest side. So length of the shortest side is equal to 22.5. The unit is what? Centimeter. 22.5 centimeter. Length of longest side. Length of longest side is equal to x plus 5. That is 22.5 plus 5. That is 27.5 centimeter. Next, there is another problem is here. The difference of two numbers is 8. The difference of two numbers is 8. And the difference of their squares. Difference of their squares is 208. Find the numbers. Here two numbers are here. So we take two variables. That is, let x and y be the numbers. numbers. Now, here given that the difference of numbers, that is x minus y is equal to 8. This is the first equation. Now, also given that the difference of their squares, that is x square minus y square is equal to 208. We know that x square minus y square is what? X minus y into x plus y is equal to 208. From the first equation, we can write x minus y instead of x minus y, 8. So, x plus y is equal to 208 by 8. 208 by 8 is what? 208 by 8 is 26. Now, we got two equations. First equation is x minus y is equal to 8. Second equation is x plus y is equal to 26. Now, solve for x and y. Here, both having different signs. So, we add 2x is equal to 34. X is equal to 34 by 2 is equal to 17. Now, substitute the value of x either in first equation or in second equation. Okay, second equation gives x plus y is equal to 26. That is 17 plus y is equal to 26. So, y is what? Y is equal to 26 minus 17. That is 9. Therefore, the two numbers are 17 and 9. Pairs of equations are very useful in our daily life. I hope all of you understood this topic.